Hello, my dear viewers. Today we will make this beautiful Christmas embroidery design. So we start from here and use the input C. Make from here at here. Next we make the curves like vector. Zoom it and make it faster. Now it's look beautiful. Make this with column C and control K to break it and expand from bottom and we need to make the stars. So we use the input A, start from here to here and next from here to here and next from here to here, next here to here, again next here to here, then here to here and again here to here, next here to here and again next here to here. Now see, it's beautiful. Now I make simply drag and drop with right click and duplicate these stars and resize it smaller or bigger. We make these stars quickly. We will not make small stars because in embroidery the size is too small and machine not make properly these stars. And then now make this smaller dots with the input A. Now size tool with resize tool and again make it round and resize it to 1 mm at least or 1.50. Now this size is good. Now first we make stars and then make tree. Group and duplicate it to here. Not resize because smaller size is too small and we need two good stitches, so we only set the tree, not resize. Now make this with input C. First of all we make this, zoom it and set it with resize tool. Again duplicate it to move forward and set it to according to vector, and then I make the center line from here to here, and duplicate and forward it from here to here, and set it to according to vector. Now again I make this to this. Now first of all we select and set the traveling, Control X and Control V, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 points, and click here and make it here. Oh, it's so beautiful. Group and drag it here to here. These three are same, so we make this one and use the different stitch and change the style literally, because we need to make this beautiful and easy to make on machine. Again we select this and group this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Again put the 8 and click in the center of the design and make this to resize it. Okay, now need this little circle, drag and drop, and again drag and drop with shift and resize it. Again resize it to smaller and again resize it to smaller, resize, no need to resize, again resize and again set it. Okay, Now design is complete.